Hello everyone! In today's video, I am going to walk you through how to cancel a Gcash payment for Disney Plus in just a few steps. Start by opening your Gcash app and logging in with your PIN. Make sure you have your payment details or reference number ready. Now once logged in, head to the transaction history section. This is where you will find all your recent payments, including your Disney Plus subscription. Scroll through your transactions until you find the Disney Plus payment you want to cancel. Tap on the transaction to view more details. Unfortunately, Gcash doesn't allow instant cancellations. You will need to contact Gcash customer support through their in-app chat or email. Provide them with the transaction ID and explain that you want to cancel the payment. Gcash support will review your request and, if eligible, process the cancellation. You will receive a confirmation message once the payment has been successfully cancelled. And that is how you cancel a Gcash payment for Disney Plus. Now if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.